Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Wanted to talk about a few things that are new to the channel. One, I just did the YouTube perks thing so you can become a member if you like that, because I know I get a lot of messages on people asking how they can contribute to the channel. Now, I've never turned this feature on before, but I've gotten so many messages to where I went and turned it on because I get a lot of people that want to help the channel. I prefer PayPal, which honestly I prefer you don't worry about it, but if you must do it, I prefer PayPal. But now we can do it straight through YouTube. Also, one of the better ways to support the channel is by buying merch. That way you get something, for the money that you paid, and I get a little bit of kickback on that. And also using the links down below each video has links down below. You can click those links if you're looking for something, LED lights, air filter, a tuner, exhaust, you name it. If you're looking for something, you'll probably find it down in those links. And whenever you purchase something through those links, I get a little kickback on that also. Now, one of the big things I wanted to talk to you about is I got a couple of things for the channel. I ordered them last night. I should be getting everything tomorrow. One of those things is wireless mics. I ordered 2 because my buddy Nick, he's going to be helping me with a few videos, and once in a while the wife helps me with a few videos, and I just thought wireless mics would give better sound quality. I've only had like 1 or 2 people say something about the sound quality. I know a lot of times it's the listening device that you're using. I know when I play everything back on my computer, it sounds nice and crisp, but I use pretty good cameras. I don't use low-end cheap cameras. I do have a few. I have tried them in the past. They don't work. I just don't use them anymore. Right now, we're using my brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max, or whatever they call it. It's the newest iPhone you can get. And we're trying out the camera and the audio. But I also bought an adapter to go with this phone to use the wireless mics, and also supposedly they'll work with the GoPros. So we'll be trying that stuff out here real soon. Another thing I wanted to talk about is lighting. We do have some lighting because I know my wintertime videos where I'm crammed in this garage, it's all closed up. I do have some more lighting to put up. I just haven't had the time. We've been super busy, and I have more lighting to put up there, so we'll be doing that definitely. I also just ordered a tripod that'll hold your camera and everything, that has a nice light around it. So hopefully things will start to get a little better. I'm definitely working on it. I'm a newbie to camera. Man, listen, I got these tools and these machines down pat, but when it comes to this camera stuff, I'm learning. And editing, I'm definitely learning. Go back to some of my very first videos and you'll definitely see. YouTubers, today we're going to talk about maintenance on the CF Moto. We're going to use my CF Motos as an example. Well, one of them, not both of them. Whether you have, definitely see, we came from down here all the way up here so far. Hopefully in the near future, I'm hoping we'll be able to get a way better camera, like a DSLR or something like that, where we can do better footage. Now, I know out in the woods when we do our rides and stuff, that's not really the camera to be taken, but when we're here in the shop, I think that camera would help out a lot, because I got so many lights in here already. It's super bright, but on camera it's super dull, and I don't know how to fix that. I don't know that much about cameras, so if anybody can help me. I use a DJI Osmo. Always use it in 4K, 30 frames a second. I use my iPhone 11, but now I got the 12, which has a way better camera. So hopefully everything will be way better. And I use GoPros. I have quite a few different GoPros. The settings are basically the same on all of them. So if somebody knows a little something that I don't, please comment down below and help me out. Now, one of the biggest things is I got some new sponsorships. So I'll be doing a video real soon. I can't really go into detail on that quite yet, Exactly. So, and you'll understand why when you get to watch the video. So just bear with me there. Things should be coming in the mail. Also, an update on the rear diff. I know you guys are getting tired of hearing about my broken rear diff. I'm just updating you. Chill. Should be coming in the mail here real soon. We ordered from Joel over there at Main Street Cycle, and he is currently waiting on the shipment. So as soon as he gets it, I know I'll have it within 2 or 3 days after they get it. So should be relatively real quick like here. And I know some of you are asking, are you really selling the wife's side-by-side? Well, the answer to that is, if somebody shows up here with cash, yes. If not, no. I'm not pressed to sell it because I have almost everything I need to turn it into an EX. And the whole reason behind even really selling hers is because we're kind of in line to get a Kawasaki 4-seater. Whether that's actually going to happen or not, I don't know, because things are hard to get right now. Really hard to get. We are on a list, but who knows? They wanted me to put a bunch of money down to save it, and I don't do that. I don't put money on nothing until I'm signing paperwork, buddy. So if it don't sell and we keep it, which I'm not even really pushing the sell thing, I'm gonna turn it into an EX. Now, if one of you guys want a good side-by-side, we have the 500. I will sell it to you at a reasonable price, and I will give you everything that I have for the EX swap. The only thing I need are what? Front shocks and axles and brake lines. I have everything else. I have the A-arms. I have everything else. So if somebody wants it, you're more than welcome to come pay me for it. If not, who cares? It'll stay in the family, because there's nothing wrong with that side-by-side. It's just a trail and it just rides like shit. Period, plain and simple. So that's the only reason she was not really wanting to ride it, you know, when we was out in Kentucky, because them trails were so rough that, well, you know, it beats you up. It's like putting your body in a cement mixer, kind of. So if I EX swap it, she'll have no problems at all, because she loves how mine rides. It'll ride the same. It just won't have the power, but we don't need power. We need comfortability and riding. I don't need a turbo and 800 horsepower to go see some trees in the woods. I don't need none of that. So I had a company send me out some fog lamp bulbs, some LED fog lamp bulbs. We'll be doing a video on that this week, maybe, if I'm feeling around to it. I got a really bad headache that I've had for like 2 weeks. It won't go away. I don't know what's going on, but that's why you haven't really been seeing much videos from me, because I don't feel good. So hopefully I feel better, because I want to play with them wireless mics tomorrow, and I have a video in mind for you guys tomorrow. So hopefully you'll see it like Wednesday or something. But definitely I wanted to keep this one short and just let you guys know everything that we've been doing for the channel, all the goodies that are coming, and everything that you can look forward to. And hopefully I answered some of your questions, because I get a lot of people, I mean a lot of people in my inbox asking how they can support the channel. The easy short answer to that is, if you don't want to be a Patreon, or you don't want to be a part of the channel membership thingy, the best way is just to use the links in the description down below whenever you want to buy something, and then I get a couple pennies of kickback. And that's honestly the way that I would rather see you, instead of you just giving me $10 a month, and you know, then I gotta feel responsible for giving you some good content. And you know, you never know what I'm gonna do. I'm fly by night. I could come home from work and go, screw it, I ain't making a video. Or I could come home from work and go, well, let's go roll the side-by-side today. You know what I mean? I don't know. Just the best way is to use those links in the description below, and that's just the way I prefer. So whatever way you want to do it is up to you 100%. I'm fine with that either way. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, because 75% of you guys are not subscribed. I get the analytics sheet. I get the view count. I get the hours that are watched. 75% of you guys are not subscribed. Get subscribed and click that bell so you know whenever we drop a video, so you know whenever we go live, you can join in, and then later on you're like, oh shucks, I missed the live stream, because you know my live streams, they get pretty rowdy. Peace out, guys. Catch you in the next one.